Alright, so here's the unit. I've taken the shroud off, and based off of YouTube video, I'm able to find my pipe that I need to blow into, and cleaned everything up, well, vacuumed it all. And then if you come down this end, right under there, which is basically right here, is this stopper. And you need to take that out. Okay? And that allows the airflow to go through. And you can see all the lines coming through. All of this stuff here goes down to the unit, which is outside. And what I'm going to do now is figure out a way. I don't have a hose, so I'm going to be creative. We're going to blow this through a couple of times quick with a shop vac. And hopefully that's going to stop our problem, which was condensation was forming or is backing up, and it was coming down and landing on the floor and landing on our furniture. So we don't want that. So I'm going to continue this video shortly once I get things set up, and we'll blow that line out.